Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying essentials so the update won't fail. First, back up important files and free at least 10% disk space. That prevents rollback issues. Once done, plug into power and use a wired or strong Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings and confirm your Windows 11 edition and hardware meet the new version's requirements. This explains why some devices are deferred. Proceed to Windows Update to scan immediately and prepare the download. You'll now download and stage the update. In Settings, right arrow Windows Update, click Check for Updates and choose the Windows 11 feature update when offered. This triggers the download and verifies compatibility. While it downloads, close heavy applications and pause syncing to reduce conflicts. Make sure optional drivers are reviewed and unselected unless needed. Drivers can block installation. Once the package is ready, pick a restart window or let it install now. Windows stages files, so the actual reboot is faster. You finish by completing the in-place upgrade and checking system health. After the reboot, follow the setup prompts and review privacy or sign-in choices. Doing this prevents unexpected defaults. Then verify drivers and check update history to confirm success and reclaim space if temporary files remain. If something goes wrong, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and reboot. If errors persist, use recovery to roll back to the previous build. This protects your workflow while you diagnose logs and error codes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.